Welcome to the future of defense manufacturing. Our classified automated systems and specialized workforce ensure precision and quality control at every stage.
Assembly protocols updated for extreme environments.
Quality inspection confirms all standards met.
Preparing for global deployment.
The integration sequence is nominal. Quality control checks certified.
Ready for strategic deployment.
Protocol 7 initiated. Validating system integrity. Acknowledged.
Readiness levels at 100%.
Tactical performance test is a go. Firing sequence initiated.
Receiving data streams. Engineering protocols confirmed.
Global deployment readiness is at 100%.
Phase 2 initiated.
Acknowledged. Systems are nominal.
Logistics confirms deployment window.
Maintaining strict tolerances is critical. This classified production equipment ensures operational effectiveness and combat-proven reliability.
Pallet secure. Confirming classified protocols.
Protocols confirmed. Loadmaster, you are clear for deployment.
As you can see here in the engineering protocols, the integration sequence is green across all metrics.
Good. Ensure these specifications are maintained for the global deployment phase.
Military standard testing under combat simulation conditions guarantees battlefield performance, ensuring effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
The thermal signature on Launcher 4 is slightly elevated.
Run the diagnostic again. Cross-reference the schematic data.
Finalizing the operational effectiveness protocols now.
Systems check complete. The combat-proven methodologies ensure full tactical readiness.
Combat readiness is assured through strict adherence to military engineering protocols. Our classified production equipment ensures 100% reliability.
Tactical systems integration is coordinated with quality control throughout the manufacturing process. This ensures operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
Testing sequence complete. Reliability confirmed. Begin loading procedures.
Acknowledged. Move the assets to the aircraft for immediate deployment. These testing procedures validate the operational effectiveness.
Excellent. The deployment sequence is ready for final approval.
Review the military certification protocols on screen 3.
Confirmed. The adjustments ensure full combat readiness for global deployment.
Monitoring the automated sealing sequence now.
Diagnostics confirm combat-proven reliability standards are met.
All systems are green across the board.
Operational readiness validated. We are clear for deployment.
From state-of-the-art production lines to rigorous tactical performance testing, we ensure operational effectiveness for global deployment.
Logistics confirms deployment window for the Southeast Asia Treaty Organization.
Acknowledged. Increasing output to maximum tactical readiness.
Alpha Team, inspection complete. Ready for deployment. Copy that. Manifest confirmed. Uploading flight plan now.
The data confirms successful integration. Proceed to the next phase of deployment protocols, prioritizing strategic precision.
From advanced manufacturing to operational validation, we implement combat-proven engineering protocols, ensuring
Simulation Delta Ajmer engaging targets.
Weapon systems show 98% effectiveness.
Rerouting power to the primary test array now.
Operational effectiveness is at 99.8%.
Global deployment assets are standing by for immediate transfer.
We implement strict military engineering protocols, utilizing classified production equipment to ensure combat-proven reliability and operational effectiveness.
Our secure production environments integrate classified testing procedures, validating operational effectiveness utilizing battlefield
Rerouting power to auxiliary systems. Check structural integrity on the Striker variant.
Quality check complete on subsystem B.
Data confirms military-grade specifications are met. Proceed to the next stage.
uploading classified parameters now.
Replication sequence locked. Initiating materials processing.
Monitoring structural integrity throughout the deployment cycle.
Diagnostics on the chassis show green across the board.
Uploading the certification protocols now. We are clear for final deployment checks. Final torque applied to chassis bolts.
Scanning serial number for QAR protocol.
Our defense manufacturing sequence integrates military standard testing under combat simulation conditions, ensuring battlefield-tested performance for global deployment.
Utilizing advanced engineering, we validate secure packaging with tamper-evident sealing, ensuring operational effectiveness globally.
Robotic sequence complete. Validation metrics are green across the board.
Excellent. The equipment is cleared for operational deployment.
Simulation shows 98% effectiveness in the desert scenario.
Copy that.
Manufacturing precision confirmed. Initiating certification protocols.
Platoons B and C, confirm readiness for immediate deployment.
Bravo team ready.
Charlie team ready. Move out.
We utilize classified production equipment, implementing strict military engineering protocols to ensure operational effectiveness and compliance. From initial concept to global military deployment, our defense manufacturing sequence ensures operational effectiveness and combat readiness.
Initiate vibration sequence Delta 4. Monitoring structural integrity now.
Receiving stabilization data. Looks nominal. System integrity confirmed.
Why is the freighter diverting?
Weather interference. Routing south now.
Supply levels are critical. We need that confirmation immediately.
Simulation data confirms tactical optimization. The prototype is cleared for operational validation.
This confirms your access to the classified production area. Ensure compliance with all operational protocols.
Understood. I accept the responsibilities of this security clearance.